Hello guys, in this video we'll jump into the second unit, create and customize Lightning apps. This is from the module Lightning Experience Customization. So in this video we'll be creating a Lightning app and later tackle the quiz questions. So you can skip the creating a Lightning app as it's purely optional and is not required for completing the challenge. However, let's look into it right now. So to create the Lightning app, let's jump into App Manager from the quick find. And once you're there, let's click on New Lightning App. And let's copy paste our fields. So the Lightning app we'll be creating is called Energy Consultations. Let's give it some description. And add a primary hex color. Let's use the app's image and color instead of fog. And click on next. Okay, here, let's not change anything over here. Let's go to next page. We are not adding any utility items over here, though we are adding a couple of items in the navigation menu. So let's add chatter. Once you select, click on the right arrow to move that into the navigation menu. The next one will be adding as groups, followed by energy audits, accounts, contacts, products, and finally tasks. So let's add system administrator over here. Once you click on that, click on the right arrow and save a new app. Once we've done that, let's try to open the app which we have created. Let's search for Energy Consultations. Okay, as you can see, this is the app which we've just created. You can see the navigation bar where we have added chatter, groups, energy audits, and so on. As we have created a Lightning app, now let's jump into our quiz. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.